Hi! Welcome to our virtual field trip. I'm Kuya Jose, and I will be your friendly tour guide for today. Fasten your seatbelt because we're about to fly. First stop, Luzon. Welcome to Bahay ni Rizal in Calamba, Laguna. The city is known to be the Calabarzon's richest city, followed by Cabuyao City because of its numerous factories. Aside from these factories, this city boasts the bahay or house of our national hero, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda, or simply Jose Rizal. The bahay of Jose Rizal in Calamba, Laguna became a museum to commemorate and celebrate his life and achievements. From books to his room and to other things that Jose Rizal used in his lifetime are still in his house in Calamba, Laguna. Let's explore the house together and see a glimpse of the life of Rizal. What items can you see inside the house? Are you ready to go to our next destination? Well, fasten your seatbelt because we're about to go to Alaminos, Pangasinan, to the 100 Islands. The 100 Islands has always been a fun trip just outside of Metro Manila because it is only 4 to 5 hours car ride away from it. The 100 Islands is found in Alaminos City of Pangasinan. From the blue ocean and the calming waves to the inviting vibes of the people of Pangasinan, there's so much to do in the 100 Islands. On to our next destination in Legazpi, Albay. Enjoy the oh so awesome view of the Mayon Volcano. Mayon Volcano is known to be the world's most perfect volcanic cone because of its symmetry and its shape. Most Bicolanos describe Mayon Volcano with the Bicolano word Magayon, which translates to beautiful in English. Aside from local and foreign tourists, Mayon Volcano is also famous to climbers and campers from here and abroad because the volcano is the center of what we call the Mayon Volcano National Park. There are also large abaca plantation on its lower slopes. And with the Cagsawa ruin, by the view you will surely enjoy your stay in Legazpi, Albay. Mayon Volcano is truly a place that you should see in Luzon. And to our next stop, Visayas. To our first destination, Bohol. Do you want to know more about how to get there and what to see when you are on Bohol Island? Then come with us to the Philippines as I take you on a journey to show the beauty and the landscape of the Bohol Island. From the chocolate hills that changes their color when it rains. Fascinating, isn't it? To the beautiful beaches such as Anola Beach on Panglao Island in the south of Bohol. This is one of my favorite places to visit on Bohol. Conquer your fear with the 550-meter-long bike zip featuring the picturesque Chocolate Hills as your backdrop. Let's continue our Visayas island hopping and go down south to Cebu. Welcome to Cebu. Aside from its sumptuous food and exciting activities to do, enjoy a fun-filled vacation when you visit Cebu and discover some of its iconic historical sites when you do your city tour downtown in Mactan. Isn't it just relaxing to see a very blue and clear ocean? Are you excited with this adventure that we are having in Cebu? We are just getting started. From the natural rivers, spring, and falls in Cebu, to the varied biodiversity and sea creatures that you can see. Enjoy what Cebu has to offer. Whale sharks! One of Cebu's treasures are its butandings or whale sharks. These gentle giants are one of the tourist favorites, as you may call it, in the islands of Cebu. Enjoy the experience while snorkeling with these gentle giants. That is the calming experience in Cebu. Do you want some more from Visayas? Then let's go to El Nido, Palawan. El Nido is a Philippine municipality on Palawan Island. It's known for its white sand beaches, coral reefs, and as the gateway to the Bakwit archipelago, a group of islands with steep karst cliffs. El Nido, Palawan boasts its small and big lagoons as well as the fantasy-like rock formations that covers the island. The area around El Nido, Palawan is one of extreme natural beauties in the world. Many says that this is actually paradise on earth, and this is not an exaggeration. Wow, that was so fun! Do you want some more? Now, let us go to our last stop for today's virtual field trip. Our last stop is Mindanao. Mindanao is located in the southern part of the Philippines. And one of the many beautiful cities in Mindanao is Zamboanga. The city of Zamboanga is found in the Zamboanga Peninsula region in Mindanao. This highly urbanized city has one of the most culturally rich places in the Philippines. The old houses blends well with the clean urban streets of Zamboanga. Even fast food chains are accustomed to the architecture of the city. Truly, Zamboanga is a city that the Philippines can be proud of. Let's roam around Mindanao and go to the island of Siargao. Siargao is a teardrop-shaped island in the Philippine Sea, found southeast of Tacloban. Siargao is marked by a succession of reefs, small points, and white sandy beaches along its coastline. The neighboring islands and islets also have similar features. An island paradise for all, Siargao boasts killer waves and scenic landscapes imagined in one's summer fantasies. With its stunning beaches, natural wonders, and, of course, friendly locals, the Philippine surfing capital offers a one-of-a-kind experience that's definitely worth trying. The island paradise has been voted as one of the best in Asia. And it's not just a surfer's mecca. It's a haven for all kinds of tourists, just like you. All good adventure comes to an end. But we are saving the best for last. Welcome to Tawi-Tawi. Tawi-Tawi is found in the borders of the Indonesian North Kalimantan province and the southernmost province of the Philippines. From the crystal clear oceans and a variety of coral reefs, you will surely enjoy what the Sea of Tawi-Tawi has to offer. Aside from its beaches, you can also do a lot of things in Tawi-Tawi. Hike to Badbongao and meet the Bajaus, or try the puto kohita or the sea urchin dishes, or maybe go to Cebu and jump at the famous sinkholes, and many more. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Hanggang sa muli!